guys, welcome to my channel, and if you would like to see how I achieve this flat twist style, then just go ahead and stay tuned to this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you liking the look. Stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I have freshly washed hair, and all I'm gonna do right now is just split it in half, like front and back. Okay, I separated it. Now I'm just going to, my hair dries fast, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a leave-in conditioner, which I'm just gonna stick with the Cream of Nature. For me, to make it a little easier, I'm going to split that in half so I can focus on a fourth at a time. Okay.
Mommy.
Good morning. Just a little something. See if we can see that pretty good. Probably not, but just a nice little generous amount.
Okay. Baby, Mom. Okay.
I see JJ.
Baby, how? I love
Okay, so now that I've done just this section, I'm going to split this section in half. Okay, so now I'm just working with this part, and now I'm getting ready to go in. See, the goal is I want everything to be light, so I'm getting ready to go in with the Aunt Jackie's Curl Maintenance Defining Curl Whip. Yes, it is a cream. Oh, let me see good. And yes, I am mixing products, okay? But I'm gonna do just a little bit, like literally. Oh, that's too much. See, just like a little bit, just to give me a little curl definition. So I'm just gonna put that throughout the hair. Okay, and so now I'm getting ready to just flat twist this section. Okay, and the thing about the flat twist is I want it as neat as possible, so I'm literally making sure I have them separated. I don't want any mixed in. right here, I'm just trying to make sure everything is just neat by running my fingers through the sections as I bring it down. Okay, and then just, you know, wrap it around. Okay, so I'm just going to do that to the rest of the back section, and I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm done with the back. I've did 4 of them, and I'm getting ready to move to the front, the top. And I'm not really worried about my parting because the parting will not show when it's time for the final results. Okay, I'm just gonna split this in half. So basically I just, from this top section, I just grab like the part that goes over my ear and a little in front of the ear. You know, you can kind of do how you want, how you please, depending on how you like your hair to fall. Yes.
Tick-tock. Tick-tock.
TikTok.
Yeah.
See if I'll be able to show you guys a little better how to do the twist. Okay, so I am done. You can tell. Okay. So let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh snap. So I have 16 of them done, and it's still a little like during the day. So what I'm gonna do is just let them air dry throughout the day, and then I probably gotta redo this a little bit. Y'all see this already kind of poofy. But let me see. I will probably just let them air dry throughout the day, and then tonight before I go to bed, I'll put my head scarf on, and I'm gonna let them dry, and then tomorrow I will take them down and I'll let you guys see the results. See y'all tomorrow. There we go. Yeah, it's much better. Okay, see ya. Okay y'all, so it's the next day and I'm getting ready to take it down, and let's see these results. I'm gonna put some of this shine serum on my fingertips as I take it down. That way it will eliminate frizz or prevent frizz from coming. So let's go ahead and do it. So I took them down.
Mommy, Daddy, baby, baby.
Now I'm just gonna fluff my roots. So I did the top. Now I'm just about to do the back section. So I'm gonna move that hair that's up there.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. If you like it, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.